Well, hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mattie and I'm back with another video. I am a woman over 50 and so I'm here today to share with you guys these certain concealers by Revolution to see if they apply well and how they apply to my aging mature skin. So I am over 50. And yeah, I am. And I kind of aging. It might be aging gracefully, but thank you, God. Thank you. And it could be, it could be genetic. I thank God. But I do have some imperfections. I do have some under eye wrinkles. Not that bad now. But it's just the way I might apply things. You probably will see them a little bit worse, you know. But, and I do have some smile lines, you know, and I do have some pores. Maybe medium to maybe small pores. I do have some sagging skin here and there. But, hey, it just comes along with how you take care of yourself from the inside to the outside. Today, I'm going to share these concealers by Revolution, and I have two concealers. I have one to contour with and one to highlight with, and the highlight one is C12 and C14 to contour with. And I also have the luxury baking powder to share to see how it applies to my aging mature skin. So, and this one here is in the shade Banana. And all of these items are very affordable. And I picked them up at Ulta. And I will have the price somewhere here on the screen or down below. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, I've already did my brows. I've already concealed my eyes and set them. And I've applied my foundation. So we're going to test these out. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the light one first, which is C12. I'm going to go ahead and use this Real Technique. It's safe for blush, but I'm going to go ahead and use it as a concealer brush. I can say for right now is a little bit on the thick side. And me, I love more of a thin consistency of concealer because I don't like for it to feel like it's so kind of heavy. I'm not going to say it's real heavy, but you know, you can tell that it's there. And the concealers that I've been using is by Absolute from my local beauty supply store. And I also have Shape Tape. I also have, I think I have the Maybelline Fit Me. I have NARS concealer. And the NARS is a little bit lightweight. And these Absolutes are a little bit lightweight as well. And I think my Maybelline Get Better Skin, it is by Maybelline. And it's also kind of a lightweight. And I can tell that it's on my skin. And I feel it there. But I like the coverage. And I do have the Revolution setting powder. And I've already put some into the little cap. And this is my first time going to be using this. So, and this here I have in Banana. And it says for baking. And we're going to see how this works. Which I never really do a lot of baking. But I'm going to Because I usually don't see the wrinkles under my eyes, the little fine line wrinkles, but I know I probably applied too much foundation. I mean, too many other products under my eye. You know, you just really can't apply too much product under your eye. You know, like if you have 2 or 3 layers of product, and it will settle into those fine lines. So I'm going to go ahead and just let it sit for a minute. I don't really like to bake, and I kind of want to just brush some of it off. And I'm going to use here my anesthetica. I'm not quite sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And I'm just going to... So next I'm going to go ahead and try the C14. I'm going to use this as to contour. I'm going to go ahead and take this e.l.f. small strippling brush and see how I can work that. And right off the bat, this really is not my shade. I can see it's a little bit too dark, and I think I probably applied just a little bit too much, but that's fine. It's just for the sake of this video on how does this product apply to aging mature skin. Then you can also take your and I can't say that it do blends well. And I will go ahead and apply a little bit of the lighter shade here to clean up. I'm going to go ahead and take my Kids Professional New York contour kit and set those contour areas. So I'm just going to go back and forth into those two. And go ahead and set those areas here where I cleaned it up. And by the way, you might be missing some things because missing some of the footage because my camera keep cutting off for some apparent reason. Okay, and everything kind of look a little bit harsh. So I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in Dark, and I'm going to kind of blend out and even tone my skin, you know, just kind of blend everything in together. So everything is kind of like dry and powdery, And so far, I'm loving this concealer. It has settled into my fine lines under my eyes. And I don't think I got the right shade. I applied just a little bit too much. But you can work it. You just got to work a little bit hard to get rid of it. And so what I'm going to do next, go ahead and add some blush to my face. I'm going to take the Sahara Blush Volume 2 palette, and I think I'm just going to go into either the orange, the kind of a burnt orange, which is this shade here. I have the name here somewhere on the screen from Saharan Volume 2 Blush Palette. I think I'll just take this here Morphe brush here, and I can't apply too much because this here is very, very pigmented. Okay, and as for the concealers by Revolution, it says full coverage, lightweight concealer to cover blemishes, even tone, camouflage dark circles. It has a matte finish that won't settle or accentuate fine lines. And like I mentioned, I had already applied some concealer for dark circles under my eyes at that time, which I shouldn't have. That's probably what accentuated the fine lines, because when I added this concealer, it made it seem like I had applied so much concealer under my eye, which I never do. So yeah, that did happen to me, but I don't think it was really from this concealer. Y'all, so far I'm loving this concealer, and I guess that's why I felt like it was kind of heavy on me at the time, because I did apply some concealer on my face. The next time I apply this to my age and mature skin, I would not do any kind of covering up imperfections. I just will leave everything just like it is, and to see would it cover all of my imperfections that way without me even covering up before I apply. If that makes sense to you guys. And it says it's long wearing that can also be used to contour and add additions. And the most important part of these concealers, they are vegan and cruelty free. So far, I'm loving what I see. And so next I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And maybe I sprayed a little bit too much, but I don't like the powdery look, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yes, this is how the concealer and the contour and the setting translucent powder apply to my age and mature skin. Guys, I'm testing out product to see if it works for my age and mature skin. And keep in mind, everyone's skin is different. Even if they're my age, younger, or over my age. So everyone, foundations, setting powders, concealers apply different in some sort of way. And it just depends on mainly sometimes their skin texture, just the skin itself. Like you might have loose skin from loss of collagen, like I mentioned. You probably have fine lines and wrinkles under the eyes, smile lines, sagging skin, all of that. But yeah, so far it worked well for me. This is just my preference. This is what, how it has done for me. So you guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also comment down below if you would like for me to continue doing videos like this as I apply onto my aging mature skin to see how products work for my aging mature skin. And if you're new welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you. I'm just so appreciative that you're here, you tuned in to watch my video. And to all of my old subscribers, thank you. I love you. I appreciate you guys for being here for me all through this journey of mine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click that post notification bell next to it so you can be notified and alerted whenever I upload videos. So until next time, you guys be blessed, and don't forget to be a blessing, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Mwah.